Folks, welcome. All right. What a really boring day. Um, we bought some stock. We today was an eventful day. We bought some stock, rolled down our calls on a Coinbase Strangle, and we're very conservative there. I'm worried about a short squeeze here. I hope one does happen because we have other positions on Coinbase as well. And we opened up our first trade, a 10 delta put naked put sale expiring in 61 days. We're gonna sell the call side of that Strangle going out and into a rally, ideally tomorrow, which I think is going to happen. I think we're rallying here. So let's go to comments. Say hello to people. Franklin, I'm with you on coin. Your voice is in a constant loop over and over. So the audio is bad. What's going on? Huh. The audio is bad. Let's check it out. My microphone is correct. Echo cancellation. Let's see. What about this? Audio is good there? All right. Everything looks okay on my end. So I don't know what to do. I hate this audio stuff. Hey, Jeff, be careful of Tesla. I haven't taken a look at the chart. We'll take a look at it. Sam, hey, Sam, long time. There were two windows open. Oh, I see. Yeah. Gotcha. All right, that makes sense. Okay, cool. All right, so we're good. Okay. So yeah, Coinbase, I'm iffy on it. Broke support today. Not loving the chart. We had to roll down that call side to get a little bit more protection because we do have naked puts here. We bought Amazon today, but at lower prices. We were buying back here. I like the setup on Amazon. I think Amazon's going up. I wouldn't buy the calls. Do not go buying calls on Amazon. The calls are very, very expensive. We bought the common stock. If you take a look at the, wow, they even got more expensive. The IV percentile, this is at 57% this morning, down to 53, back up to 55. So just be careful. Amazon, if you're going to sell the options, go for it all day long. Sell them all day long. But do not be a buyer of these options because once Amazon rallies, the value of those options are going to deflate. And you could be right on the trade to the upside, but you're not going to get paid as much as you should. So just be careful. Yeah, Sam used to be on all the time when I did my morning show. Sam's over in Italy. I did the morning shows for about 2 years. I couldn't get up and do them anymore. Hey, congratulations. I love your new president, Giorgio Maloney. I love it. Outstanding. Is she popular there? Okay. All right. So Amazon is rallying into the close. We have a straddle on Amazon at the 102 strike. And I just like the setup here. So we bought the stock. I think we're going to rally on equities. Let's take a look at the spiders up top here. We're still down 1/3%. I don't like the yields. This is going to be a problem for technology. Dollar coming in. The dollar's a problem for everything. You want to see a weaker US dollar if you want to see equities rally. Now, the one big tell here that equities are going to rally is that you have the S&P 500 down just over a third of a percentage point. That, however, is VIX is down 2.5% and declining. It's breaking very, very solid support today. And I can only construe it as you have people getting rid of their insurance, getting ready to buy this market. You're just not seeing reflected in the spiders yet. We're going to see how we close here today. I suspect we should see some buying. Watch for some big volume bars into the close. How are we looking on the NASDAQ? NASDAQ firming up, 15-minute chart, potential higher low. Now we're looking for our breakout. We're breaking out. You know what? I don't want to redraw this. I'm so anal. It's ridiculous. There we go. That's better. That's better. Good. So we're looking for a breakout here on the NASDAQ into the close. Dollar really weakening. That 10-year yield, strong. She is the right ring stream right. I will say okay. I say okay. Understandable. Thank you for the feedback. All right. Let's take a look at silver. Some good headlines out there about silver demand not being reflected in the price. We're long of silver. We're going to remain long of silver. We're long of the silver miners. I think 2023 is going to be a very, very good year. Gold coming off of its lows of the session. I don't like the fact we're down below 1750 the ounce. But I don't think gold is the story here today. Our NUGT trade, I know Talon's been pounding the table all day long, saying how it's coming off the lows, and he would be correct. We are off the lows. I'm loving the fact we're seeing a stronger U.S. dollar and the gold mining stocks are, a year ago, 6 months ago, these stocks would have been hammered with a move like you're seeing right now in the U.S. dollar. They're just, okay. All right. Netflix behaved well early this morning, then faded. Wish I had some water. But it looks like it's coming. Oh, look at Netflix. Amazon. Amazon doing well. Good. At least let me see what my positions are marked on that straddle. We're up on the common trade that we opened up today. We're down on the straddle, but the addition to the common stock is helping to offset the loss right now on the straddle. If we do get the rally, I suspect that we're going to get as we rally up to that 102 strike on our straddle. We should be able to either A, scratch the trade, or B, book a small profit. And we've already booked profits on this trade. So it's really just exiting with dignity right now. Boyle, our natural gas trade, is just in fuego today. We had sold puts. We're up nearly 11.5%. We were higher at one point. So that trade's working. Coinbase. What's Coinbase doing into the close? My problem child. Coming back off the lows. Good stuff. Good stuff. What else do we have? Our spiders. We have a a strangle expiring next month. We're up 40% on that trade, and the put side trade that we put on today expiring January 20, 10 delta put. We're profitable by that on that about 2.5%. So a good day, a good day. Nugget, good. Good, 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 good. All right. So, the reason why I say that I think we're going to rally is not so much the intraday charts, folks. It's the daily chart. You take a look at Spider's daily time frame and and look at your Stokes. You take your crayon out, enjoy your trend line. There you have it. Look at the RSI. The shares have been under pressure of late, yet RSI won't budge. It doesn't budge. So to me, this is a tell. This is the market sending us a signal that all is not what it seems. I don't care about FTX this, Bitcoin that, Ethereum this. It doesn't matter. All that matters is the price action on the charts, and in this time of year, seasonality. So I think that we're breaking out on the S&P 500, which is why I did not sell an offsetting call on that put that we sold today. I want to sell strength. Look at the Doji Star formation. We're hovering right at that breakout point. Look at the volume. Look at down volume today. I mean, it has the feel of a really down, dire day, and it is. Let's face it. But the volume is not there. There's no institutional distribution. And if you take a look at the VIX daily chart, let's update it. Now down 3%. Look at the break here on the VIX. This is bananas. So you have spiders down, VIX down. We're rallying. We're going up. Unless, of course, we have a geopolitical event. Let's close this out. We have minute 36 to go. Let's take a look at, let's go with the S&P 500. We'll close it out with that. Coming in off the highs, but the VIX is just melting away. Read that many countries were buying up gold, silver for delivery. Yep. Yeah, they a lot of countries are taking their money out of London, New York. They're repatriating their metals. NASDAQ. Look at the pinnacle that we're in, the apex of this wedge formation. If we see a pullback on yields tomorrow, you're going to see bright green futures tomorrow morning. Watch the 10-year yield. VIX at the lows of the session. Russell 2000, S&Ps. Russell 2000 bidding into the close. Let's go down to a 5-minute chart. Look at this. They try to sell it off. Buyers are stepping in. Not an aggressive close here. Not much happening on the S&Ps at all. Weakening, in fact, into the close. That is it, folks. All right. Everybody have an awesome night. Members, I will talk to you on Market Wrap. See you there.